Hey everyone. So one thing I've been trying to do in an attempt to do better quality videos and better lighting, better sound, because we're always trying to get better, right? So what I got is, I've been looking for something like this for a long time. I got this, it's a wireless mic that that works on an Android phone or iPhone, or even, I think it even works on cameras. But basically what it is, it's got has this unit here that this is a adapter piece here. One is for mic, one is for headphones, and it just plugs into the headphone jack on your phone. And then this is the I guess the receiver. And then there's this part here, and it's got the wire. So you keep this on you, and then it's got a wire so you can hook this on your belt and run the wire up inside your shirt or whatever. And then it's got the mic, and it's wireless, so this is hooked to the phone, this is on you, and there's no wire connected. So, and that's what I was looking for, because then I can move around and be, you know, far away or up close or whatever, and I don't have to worry about the mic over my head, which I don't have. I haven't used. I've just been using the mic on the phone. So the farther away you get, you know, the sound gets quieter. So I've always tried to do shots where I'm kind of as close to the camera as possible so that the sound is decent. Well, now with this, I don't have to worry about that. I think the range on this is 50 feet, so I can be 50 feet away from the camera and this will still work. So I just wanted to show this to you, give you a little idea of how it works. So now with the microphone on, I can use it in my shop, and I can use it from atop. I can use it from below. I can even use it on the go. It even works behind a door. Hello? And it works when I implore. I implore you to subscribe. I can use it in a car, and I can use it from afar. I can use it in a truck, and it doesn't suck. I can use it here and there. I can use it anywhere. So, I really like this thing. I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. The brand of it is camara. It's got the two units. I got it on Amazon. I think it was 35 bucks. So, works great for me. If you're looking for a wireless mic, you might want to check those out. And don't forget my implore back there. Subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.